Freezing cold out here. Still gotta do farm chores. Horses have to have hay. Animals have to drink water. You go one day in this kind of cold without water in them, they're dead. No matter how hard it is for us, they depend on us for life. So we gotta keep them. It's hard to do with one hand. We gotta keep them fed and watered. Sorry, I'm just showing y'all around, but this stuff's heavy. And I've already been out here for about an hour. Most of this stuff requires 2 hands. I don't know what y'all want. You got a whole bale of hay over there. Go eat it. You're not getting none of this prime horse hay. I'm sure Sonny gets all he can eat. He's got a feed tub in there. He's obviously enjoying that. I gotta carry water from the house in this bucket because all of our faucets and everything's frozen. The pool's frozen, the pond's frozen. I can't even break through it, so all their waters are frozen solid. So I have to carry that bucket and ration it for all the animals on the farm. They've already had their drink, but I don't know what they want. Probably won't feed. I'll come back in at the next set of animals. Just about forgot to turn the video camera on. Gotta water these guys whenever the storm's coming. So you can see there's still quite a bit of water in there. And that is because of that piece of plastic that I stuck up there. This barn would otherwise be frozen solid. But that plastic brings in so much heat just from the sun that comes through there. I mean, it's frozen right now, but this door's not. And it's letting a lot of sunlight in here. And it like magnifies it, so it makes it warm in here without having any kind of heat source other than straw and body heat to these guys. But anyways, before the storm hits, I always take their waters and I empty them about 1/4 of the way so that I have enough room to put water on top of their, I know their water's nasty right now, but it's frozen and it won't come out, so they're having to just deal with it. I usually dump their water, clean it out, and then fill it up 3/4 of the way so that I'll have plenty of room at the top whenever the water is frozen solid to put more water on top of it so they can drink when it's freezing outside. And all of our rabbits are on constant hay. I mean, constant hay and constant feed. They got all they can eat. These fat bunnies. And then we got Honey Butter. She's in jail right now for chasing chickens. And then our bottle babies, they got plenty of hay and plenty of straw. We always try to get some kind of block out for them to eat on. All the animals, they need some kind of extra stuff like a mineral tub, or not even a mineral tub, but like a feed tub for the horses and stuff. And then these guys have a goat block, so they're eating. I'm carrying water bottles from the house for everybody. rabbit slash dog barn slash goat barn slash everything barn, hay barn, feed barn. We'll just call it the barn. I don't want to call it the barn because it's not a nice barn. Anyways, the door, we gotta fix it. It's ridiculous, but it works. Do what you can. I could definitely build a better door, but I haven't had time. So that's where we're at. Okay, on to the next. Well, I forgot to turn on the video, but I broke water for those horses up there. Came over here and broke water for the horse and the cows. That's a long walk with a sledgehammer and a bucket of water in the snow. On to the chicken pen and the pigs. See you there. Okay, we made it to the chicken coop. I'm a little bit out of shape, I think. Come to this conclusion today. I ain't been out here at all. It's cold. We're trying to stay up in the barn. There's why we have to bring water. Either frozen solid. My chicken coop is a disaster, so don't judge me. I gotta get time to get out here and get it cleaned up. Along with the rest of the ranch. Find them something to drink out of. Oh, probably not this. There you go. You guys want some water? Thirsty baby. Progress of that. One issue with this feeder is that the feed kind of doesn't really fall down the hole. We still got plenty though. Everybody's looking good. The new girls are right into the flock. Oh man, a busted goose egg. That stinks. I really like hatching these. Wait for some cute babies. There's an egg, not busted. Another egg not busted. Oop. Those two look like they not busted. Let's see. Put these in my pocket so I can forget them and then bust them in my pockets. There's one. This guy is busted. Oop. If he ain't busted, he is now. See that? And you cannot eat these after they bust. You don't want to eat those. If they're frozen and they have not busted. Let me look at it with my eyes, not the camera. Okay, yeah, we're all busted. There's my lazy girl. She likes to go just walk right up the nesting frame and the roost, and hop right in that box and lay. She's done that since we got her. I don't like throwing out eggs when they're not busted. Like Like when they're not thawed out enough where I can bust them into pieces, because it kind of teaches them to eat eggs. But it's cold, and we haven't really had that issue this year, so last year, so not really worried about it. I'm gonna throw these busted eggs right here. See, there's. Oops. Forgot I'm taking you guys with me here. There's some busted ones. There's 4 new unbusted ones. Oh wait, those are the ones I've had. Oops. There's another busted and another busted. All right, well, still got some that are not busted. That's good. Better get these in the house here soon before they bust. All right, there they are. Everybody's enjoying some water. Turkey season's coming. Time to start breeding, making some babies. Anyway, all right, on to the pigs. Pigs out here. I know. We do. Hello, little piggy. Hello. What are you doing? You sleeping? Pigs are a mess too. Oh, you're having a good day, huh? With your long hair. You too, huh? This pond. Need to get out here and dig it out, make it better. Gotta bust it for these guys. Oh, she getting big. She's bad. Oh, girl, you got a belly. Plenty for them to drink. Make another one so they don't fight. Oh look, they already had it busted. Dang, y'all saved me some work and I just came out here and worked anyway. Look at all of them just being bad. That one right there is about to go to the butcher. It's time. They're getting cut. Dang, y'all had the water cut. Broke up already. Well, we got 2 extra spots now. Alright, I'm going inside. It's freezing. Bye.